In a wild incident on Saturday, Representative Jamal Bowman pulled a fire alarm in a House office building, causing confusion and a temporary evacuation. Bowman admitted it was an innocent mistake, thinking the alarm would open a door he needed for a vote. Republicans are accusing him of obstructing the House's work and are calling for an investigation and even expulsion. The incident has sparked controversy and calls for punishment, with lawmakers scrambling to pass a stopgap spending bill to avert a government shutdown. Stay tuned for updates on this developing story.